everyone, this is ASM Arif. Today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to edit the wedding portrait. I'm just going to the open option and I downloaded this stock image from the freepik.com. At first extract the file and hit the OK button. After extracting the file you'll get this type of wedding photograph and you can get download from the freepik.com. I'll give you the download link of this stock image. Okay, what should I do for this pic? This one is already just fine, but I want to make it more effective or more dreamy. That's why I have to do something which is just dreamy or the dramatic. Okay, let's do it. At first make a copy by pressing Ctrl J or drag and drop and then new copy layer, and then go to the filter and camera raw filter. After going camera raw filter, you just have to adjust some palettes like highlights, exposure and blacks, whites. Don't make it too much blacks. Okay, the clarity 3 or 5 variance, saturation, and then go to the camera calibration and just make it like that. You can make good. That's good. Okay, then make it just cool effect, the temperature and tint. Okay, and then give the vignette and hit OK. After applying this and before applying this one, okay, after that make a copy, and turn off the number 3 and select the number 2 and make it skin, and then go to the blending options and just slide it down or right and find out the highlighted area. Press Alt and hold it and just divide the button, divide the slider, and you will get the highlighted area which is just like that. Okay, you have to mask it and then go to the image and apply image. Okay, same process again. I'll go to this filter and make it multiply, and then go to the blending options, which is slightly, just find the shadow area and press the Alt button and divide the slider and just adjust the color like that and hit the OK button. After masking this one, go to the image and apply image and make it inverse and hit OK. And you can just make a group of these two layers, make it mask and go to the image and apply image. Just uncheck the invert option and hit the OK button. And let's see what was the previous. Okay, the little bit change, but the prominent change in the face or skin is too much likely like that, highlighted and shadows, which is most common or most important thing in your photo. Okay, after that I'll go to the, just take a blank layer and go to the file and then just place embedded. After going to the place embedded, I have a lights collection and then I'll find out the light beam actually, and just I place over there. Okay, I'll just make a place here. Okay, and after that restylize this one, go to the filter and the blur option and Gaussian blur. Okay, hit the OK button and then make it skin mode. Okay, you can move the light. That's good. Okay, that's good, and that's good. Okay, after that go to the adjustment layer and go to the color lookup option and just apply the horror blue color and just drag the horror blue color layer bottom of this light ray. Okay, and slightly down the color lookup options, and after just make a group of these all the layer and make it merge and go to the filter and camera filter again After going to the camera filter, at first I'll go to the camera calibration, make it more cinematic, and don't make it too much, it will just otherwise it will spoil. Okay, just add some sharpening amount and luminance also. Go to the HSL and decrease the saturation of orange, and little bit increase the luminance. 3 is enough. Okay, that's good. Decrease the red, purple, saturation. Okay, that's good. And decrease some exposure like that. Okay, add some creat. 2 or 3 is enough, and hit the OK button. After doing that, go to the level. From the color adjustment layer, you'll go to the level and just make it like that. Okay, nice. And then again color adjustment layer, and then the curves, and just tick here and just make it more dreamy. Okay, that's fine. One thing is missing, that is the dust. Okay, for the dust making, you have to take a new blank layer and make it reset by pressing here, and go to the file and then new palette. I will take like the square shape. Here is 800 by 800 is okay, and hit the create options and turn off. Just unlock this one and turn off when the box is appear. That means this one is the background, no background. Okay, then take a brush and make it 100%, opacity and flow 100%, and choose the brush from the brush palette and select this one, and hardness 100%, and the okay 18 is good. And take a new blank layer and make it more smaller by pressing third bracket opening like that. 6 or 5 pixel. 5 is good, only 5 pixel. Okay, just select here, give a dot, and select here just 2 dot. Okay, that's good. This one, it's not prominent. Okay, after that go to the edit and the define brush preset and dust, and hit the OK button. You'll get the dust brush. Okay, after that close this layer, and you got a new blank layer, and go to the brush and go to the brush palette and go to the shape dynamics and size like that, and medium. Okay, angle, just scatter this one, and go to the scattering options, scattered like that, and you can add the count. Okay, 2 is good. And if you just take the white options, and you'll get the white brushes, the dust brush. Okay, that's good. And you can decrease the opacity, or you can move it on wherever you want. Okay, you want to apply here, and you can give there. Okay, after that just make a group of these layers and make it merge, and go to the filter and the Google Nick Collection Color Efex Pro. I'll give you the download link of these plugins. If your PC configuration is not too high, don't use this one, just it will make your PC slow. Okay, I'm using the cross process, and here the filters, you can choose from here any kind of filters. Okay, here's a warmy and the cool effects. Okay, I'll use this one. This one is good, and hit the OK button. Okay, those are the effects. And let's see what was the previous one. I'm making group and make it merge. Okay, this one is our the raw image, the previous image, and now after editing this one you will get this type of image. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. And if you have any kind of question, do comment on my video comment section. And thank you so much. Till the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out, and bye bye.